This is Washington State, and this is Oregon State, and this is Idaho. This is Spokane. We're about 20 miles from the Idaho border, and we're going to go down to this little spot right here, Lewiston, Idaho. And we'll leave Spokane, go down to Rockford, Tico, across to Oakdale, down to Garfield, Palouse, and into Pullman. And then we'll go through Pullman and head down through Colton, Uniontown, and into Lewiston and have lunch. Then we'll leave Lewiston, go back up to Uniontown, Colton, Pullman, Colfax, Steptoe, Roselia, Spangle, and into Spokane. And here we are heading up the new Lewiston grades. It's 2 lanes going up and 2 lanes coming down. It's pretty steep. I think it's about 6 or 7% grade, and a lot of trucks going real slow on it. And coming down, the trucks right here have a runaway ramp. You can see the yellow sign on the right pointing to the right. In case they lose their brakes, they can go up one of those emergency runaway ramps.
It's supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me. Got me hazy, about to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said.